Hey folks, okay, so we've got our scrambled Rubik's Cube here, and I'm just going to quickly demonstrate the process that I follow when doing a solve. Usually takes me about a minute and a half to solve a cube. I'm not a speed cuber, never will be a speed cuber. But this is just really a demonstration of the whole process end to end, and then I'll break it down by step so you can follow along. But this will just give you an idea of how quickly you'll hopefully be able to solve a cube. And then improve upon the process, because there's loads of ways where this process can be improved upon, so that you can solve them quicker than I can. Okay, so first step, let's make the white cross. Okay, that's the white cross. Then we just complete the first layer then to do the white corners. Okay, it's the white layer complete. Now we do the second layer. Second layer complete. Now we do the yellow cross. It's the yellow cross, and then we just need to match them up to the correct pieces. Okay, that's the faces matched. And then we complete the yellow corners and we solve the cube. Just need to reorientate them so they're in the right position. That's it. Now we just rotate them. And we should have the cube solved. There you go. Solved Rubik's Cube. I think that was about a minute and a half, maybe a little bit more. There you go. So let's start breaking this process down and you can learn how to do it yourself.